If you don't understand how PHP works with HTML, you will struggle with back-end development. In this video, you will learn how PHP works with HTML and why this is one of the most important concepts in web development. Many beginners think PHP and HTML are separate, but they actually work together to create dynamic websites. HTML is what the browser displays. PHP runs on the server to generate that HTML. The browser never sees PHP code, only the final HTML output. When a user opens a web page, the request goes to the server. PHP runs on the server. PHP generates HTML. The browser receives only HTML. Example. Let me show you example of what I'm talking about between HTML and PHP. But first, we are going to construct our HTML structure inside our PHP file because we are writing PHP inside our HTML. So first, construct this HTML structure, but always know our file name is going to be index.php. We can't write PHP inside HTML file. So change this to how. Then come inside body, create a PHP tag, create a variable, give it a value of, and come outside the PHP tag, create a HTML tag which is h1 space, create another PHP tag, then say echo our variable, always put semicolon. This may look confusing, but it is actually very simple. What is happening here, it creates a variable called $name. The variable have the value of Benjo. This run on the server, not in the browser. This HTML hello, this is normal HTML. It will be showing in the browser. Then this echo $name. When you see something like this, it means PHP print the variable inside HTML. Echo means output something. It prints the value of this variable, which is Benjo. So this this is the final output what the browser sees. Hello Benjo. PHP prepare the data, HTML display it. The browser never see PHP, only the result. This simple means PHP is used to insert dynamic data into HTML. This is our dynamic data. So this value is dynamic. Common beginner mistake, trying to run PHP without a server. PHP will not work if you just open the file in a browser. So you always have to make sure that your XAMPP is running. Can you see my own is running? This is how to stop it. You can stop it from running. You can also start it. from running. So now let's display our work in our browser to see what we are talking about. Always use localhost. So this is what we are talking about. Let's remove this. This is HTML work. Then this is PHP dynamic data. So now it give us hello then Joe. Now you understand how PHP and HTML work together. In the next video, we will build a real dynamic page. Follow for more coding tips and fix. Like and subscribe.